My participation in Living Smart taught me so much. There were so many things that I kind of didn't know that I didn't know, if that makes sense.
I loved that course. Really made an impact in my life.
Living Smart is an expert-led series of sustainable living workshops run over 7 weeks. Through group learning and practical experience, people gain knowledge and skills across a range of everyday topics so they can take positive action to improve their health and well-being and reduce their impact on the environment.
When I started this course, I had absolutely no idea what I was going to get. I didn't know a lot about sustainability, so everything that I have learned has just sort of been an eye-opener.
I think what surprised me in the course was mostly the fact that some of the simpler things that you could do, which you're not aware of.
It first of all, raised awareness about so many things in my life.
You kind of look at things in a different way. You look at how you need to manage, say for example, waste in a different way.
They really focus on making yourself a bit greener, more sustainable, and also that actually makes you save a lot of money, which makes a big difference, and it kind of makes you as well focus on different things in life.
I wanted to meet like-minded people, but I didn't realise how fantastic the sense of community would be.
Now I'm really analysing myself and my own behaviour and looking at other behaviour and wondering how can we change this. And I think it's this idea of community empowerment.
There is no one thing, there's no magic wand. It's just simply about applying a list of principles that are quite simple and easy every day.
Living Smart's for everyone. I think sometimes the perception is that it's a bit of a greenie thing or something like that, but it's not.
It's a really great grassroots, hands-on way to get into understanding about sustainability.
I think the Living Smart Challenge is a great thing for genuinely everybody to do, simply because I believe it makes you live with more thought.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this course to anyone really.
Go do it.
For more information and to find out where a Living Smart course is being held near you, visit the website livingsmart.org.au.